So just taking a quick look at Soon here. As you can see, we are basically still coiling up inside of this pennant formation that we are seeing for Soon. As you can quite clearly tell, we are potentially here about to start selling off. We've actually just seen a sell order here to the downside here, as you can see. Obviously, a lot of people I think taking profits on Soon, which is fair enough considering the huge run up that we have seen. Also, I think with Bitcoin, you know, having a bit of choppiness and a lot of people repositioning, we could start to see a little bit of a retracement potentially for Soon here. As I said before, if we break to the downside, we'll probably come down and start testing some of these Fibonacci levels, which is where I do have a lot of my buy orders are at the Fibonacci levels always. You can see here Soon just having a little bit of a sell-off on the charts as it probably breaks down from this coiling formation we've been in for a good while here. Obviously, we could see ourselves having a nice pickup at some of these key levels. And overall, if we look at the daily, I've actually marked out this area where we probably do have a decent trend line support. Down here where we made this structure originally, we had this huge run up, this big coil, and then you could see ourselves coming down towards this trend line before getting a bounce as well, coinciding with a few areas of support, not to mention this 100 moving average, which we're miles away from still as well. So there's a lot of things here to consider. I do think overall Soon is a really good quality project. It's going to do extremely well going into the bull market, in my opinion. GameFi is going to be absolutely crazy this time around. And I do think Soon, being the platform and the launchpad that it is going to benefit heavily from this influx into gaming cryptos. But obviously in the short term, we could see ourselves having a little bit of a sell-off, especially with Bitcoin looking quite choppy and potentially bearish as people reposition from the ETF, etc. But right now, I'm just waiting for my targets to be met, and I do have buy orders if we do head to the downside. So let's see what happens next.